Today, we're going to create a Lambda layer for Python that'll be used to update the version of the Boto3 SDK in your Lambda function. To accomplish this, we'll start by creating a working folder, and next we'll install the Boto3 SDK using the pip package manager. I'll then compress this working folder and use that compressed file to become our Lambda layer. Let's get started. To start this project, I've created a new Lambda function named Boto3 version test. And I've modified the default code to import the Boto3 library and print out the Boto version. Now, AWS provides a version of Boto3 that is already available inside of Lambda, but it doesn't always update as fast as our applications need it to. So we're going to upgrade the version of Boto3. When we execute this test, we can see that the Boto version is at 1.7.74, and that is configured with the Python 3.6 runtime inside of Lambda. So let's create a Lambda layer to upgrade this Boto3 version. We're going to navigate to the Cloud9 environment that I've built, which is an EC2 Linux instance, and it is recommended that you use an EC2 Linux instance for building your packages. If you want to see the Windows installation instructions, I will go ahead and include those in the description down below. We're going to start by creating just a directory for us to work from. We're going to name it Lambda Layer. And that file, that directory does not matter. That's just our working directory to keep our code clean. So inside the Lambda Layer, we're going to create another directory. We're going to call this one Python, and this one is very important. AWS is going to unpack this from that Python folder. So let's go into Python, and we're going to use our pip install Boto3 into the target folder, -t, into this folder. It's going to collect and go ahead and install that. And now we can go back one directory, and we're going to compress that Python directory and put the zip file in our temp folder. So let's zip -r, put it in the temp folder. We're going to call it lambda layer.zip and use the period wildcard. Once that's complete, we're going to upload this zip file we've created to our S3 bucket. I've gone ahead and created an S3 bucket named Geektopia Lambda Layers. So we'll use AWS S3 copy the temp Lambda layer file to S3 Geektopia Lambda Layers. And now we can use this file in S3 to create our Lambda layer. Navigate back over to the Lambda console. We'll go into layers. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to call it Boto3. You can probably give it a better name that has a description for your environment with the version and all this. But for right now, we're just going to name it Boto3 for simplicity. Upload the zip file, and that's going to be from our S3 bucket. So Geektopia Lambda Layers. We named the file lambda layer.zip. Compatible runtimes. In this case, we're going to do Python 2.7, 3.6, and 3.7. Create. Take just a couple seconds to create this. And we can now see that our Boto3 version 1 Lambda layer has been created. So we're going to go back over to our functions. We're going to go back into our Boto test. We're going to quickly test it again and show that the version is at 1.7.4. Now we're going to go attach this layer. So go to Layers, add that layer, Boto3 version 1, and hit Add. When we save this code, notice it says Unsaved Changes. Let's save this. And now this layer will be attached to this Lambda function. So during the next execution, we can see the Boto3 version is now at 0.1.9.137. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It really helps. ring the YouTube bell, or follow me on Twitter to be notified of future videos. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please add the request in the comments section below. Until next time.